Let's dive into understanding your target market. Identifying key demographics and preferences is the first step in tailoring your offerings. Dynamic pricing strategies can significantly impact your revenue. Learn how to adjust your rates to reflect demand and maximize occupancy. Enhancing the guest experience is key to boosting repeat business. Let's explore how improving amenities and services can create lasting impressions. Leveraging technology is essential in today's market. Using data analytics can help you optimize operations and marketing efforts for better results. Sustainability practices attract eco-conscious travelers and can help reduce costs. Discover how to implement these initiatives effectively. To stand out, you need effective marketing strategies. Let's investigate how social media, influencer partnerships, and SEO can elevate your hotel's visibility. Engaging with online travel agencies, OTAs, is about finding the right balance between visibility and commission costs. Learn to make the most of these partnerships. Creating value-added packages can significantly increase your average booking value. Discover how bundling services can create compelling offers for guests. As we conclude, implementing these strategies will position your hotel for a profitable 2025. Let's embrace these changes and elevate our offerings together.